everyone, I am Kelly Schaffner. Welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing an Amazon Prime wardrobe. Yeah, this is a big box full of clothes. So if you enjoy videos about clothing, you have come to the right place. I unbox clothing boxes, online shopping, subscription style boxes, and clothing hauls, everything clothing. So if you like that kind of video and you haven't subscribed yet, please be certain to hit that subscribe button below and tap the bell. If you tap the bell, you will be notified every time I upload a video all about clothing and fashion. Let me open this box and let's get into this Prime wardrobe. This one is really easy. No scissors needed. I love it. I love it. And this is my second Amazon Prime box. This one is missing all the packing. There's no hoopla in this one, but let me tell you a little bit about Amazon Prime. It's a try before you buy service offered by Amazon for its Prime members. So you do have to have an Amazon Prime membership to be eligible for this service. But what it is you can try clothing, and there's other things that you can try too, accessories and stuff like that. I haven't even begun to search anything besides clothing. And you can fill your cart with up to 8 items. You have to have between 3 and 8 items. And they put the box together and send it to you. And you have 7 days to try these clothing items on in your home and decide whether or not you want to keep them. And then you can send them home. My first Amazon Prime ordering experience was difficult. It took me a couple days to fill my box. This experience was much easier when it seems that they have more categories, and it was just a little bit easier to shop. And again, I'm looking for outfits, but one of my viewers said that she uses this service very successfully if she is shopping for one particular item, say a pair of black shoes. She can have 8 pairs of black shoes sent to her to try on, and I thought that is a wonderful way to use this service. But that's not what I did. I ordered 8 individual items that I'm hoping will be great additions to my closet. So everything is wrapped in plastic, so I am going to unwrap it and share it with you. Inside of our box we have paperwork, and the paperwork tells you everything that you need to know. It also, I have my prices are included, and there is a mailing slip. I'll just put this right on the same box that I received this and send it all back. We have a dress. It came on the hanger, yes. This is by Klein, and I just think this is a beautiful, bright summer dress. It is, there's a faux cross in the front, and it does have a collar on it. It does have a belt on it. It does have pockets, but the pockets are stitched shut right now. If I decide to keep this dress, I can open those pockets out. The length looks long enough. Let's keep our fingers crossed that the length is long enough on this. Next up, we have another dress, and this dress is by Maggie London. And okay, this is just a wild dress. It's a baby blue background with some big orange, almost coral colored flowers on it with a cross front. It does have ruching on the side, and the hemline is uneven, but it has a big ruffle on the end. This dress looks like kind of like a party dress for vacation, so I'm excited about this one. And next we've got some tops. So this top is by Larkin Roe, and this is a shell. It's a purple color that I don't have a lot of, and I thought I need to add some purple into my wardrobe. It does zip up in the back, and it has this cute little peplum on it. So I think this would make a really nice shell, but it can be worn with denims, but this could be dressed up very easily. This is by Jolt, and this is a blue, this is a cotton fabric, cold shoulder. We have a bit of a bell sleeve, and we have kind of a lace crochet detail at the top. In the back we have some buttons, and so just navy in color, lightweight tee. Next we have one of my favorite colors of late. This is a green top by, this is Larkin Roe. This is a brand, an Amazon brand, I believe. And this is a shell. It almost looks like it has a makeshift vest on it, these pieces of fabric there. And they are also an interesting in the back as well. So let's see how that plays out when I put it on. But I was drawn to this because of the color. Okay, now I have some denims because I was really wanting to try these denims. This is by DL 1961, and this particular denim is the Insta-Sculpt Smart Denim that micro sculpts your legs, butt, and midsection. This is some smart denim. I've been wearing dumb denim for too long, so I want to try these, see how these work. And then I have a pair of expensive denim. These are AGs. This is the Isabel button up, and so this is a button fly jean, and oh, we don't have much stretch on these, which is okay. I want to try them on. Didn't realize these had so little stretch, but anyway. And these also look like a straight leg and not a skinny, so they are dark, and that is probably why I ordered them, because I am looking for dark wash. And we might have to buy these shoes because Elisha is eating the box. Lucky Brand shoes. Let's see what they look like. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, these are a mustard yellow Lucky Brand sandal. Look at those, and they have little fringes on them. There is a bit of a lift in that stacked wood heel, and we do have some cushion in them, but that's what these look like. I don't have any yellow sandals, and I think these might fit the bill. Okay, first up, I have the most expensive thing in the box. That is the AG button fly jeans on, and I have the least expensive thing in the box, the Jolt cold shoulder knit top. I am also wearing the Lucky Brand shoes, and the shoes are $53. The pants $198. The top is $33. So let's start with the top. I think the top is cute. It might be worth $38. It's a really thin, clingy type fabric. The sleeves they're not grand. I like grand bell sleeves, and this is just a teeny tiny little bell sleeve. We do have that lace detail there, so if you like all the lace, you will probably like this top. The price is great, and it's very, very lightweight. Now, these jeans have no stretch in them at all. These are 100% cotton. So they have the button fly. They remind me a lot of the 501 Levi's that we wore 100 years ago. Back when denim had no stretch in them, that's exactly how these feel. So they are pretty high-waisted. They go up past my belly button, or right just past my belly button, and we have working pockets in the back and in the front. They're pretty tight. Let me stand back so you can see the length and what these look like. Stand up against the door. So I have been wearing a lot of skinny jeans, so this is a different look for me. And my first impression trying this denim on is it feels very stiff. It's not the most comfortable denim that I have worn. So I'm a little let down by that, because AG is just a brand that people rave about, and I'm not raving about these. The shoes are pretty good. I'll give you a close-up of the shoes. I am wearing the Larkin Roe peplum top in plum, and these are the DL 1961 skinny with the Insta-Sculpt. These are the smart denims that I am wearing. I'm also wearing this outfit with the orange Lucky shoes. You see that? I like yellow with plum, and I was thinking about that when I ordered both of these pieces, that I would pair this together. I love this top. It is a size medium. I ordered everything in this haul in a size medium, and a medium is just too snug for me. I love the silhouette of it though. I feel like I have a reverse muffin top. It's just a little bit too snug, but this is what it looks like. If I recall, this blouse came in many, many colors, so I will definitely order this in my next box, probably in plum, but I may pick it up in another color too. Size large. I think it runs a little small because normally a medium fits me great. Now, these jeans, on the other hand, these are supposed to be the smart denim with the Insta sculpting, and they are going to make my figure just wow. And I don't feel like they're doing that. They're $188, so I expect a lot out of a denim for $188, and I'm not getting it in these. They're very, very soft. We have the pockets in the front, a coin pocket that works. We have working pockets in the back. I'll stand back so you can see them. Now, I like the hemline on these jeans. There's a bit of a step hem there, and it's just a little unusual, so I like that a lot. I am having problems with the gapping in the back, so, you know, I would have to wear a belt. I don't want, for $188, I don't want to have to wear a belt. So these jeans are not for me. I'm glad to have tried them. That's one of the fabulous things about this service is I can try brands I've never tried before. All right, this is the Larkin Roe. This is an, they call it a palm green, but so this is the detail. This top is $34.50. I don't know what I think about this. Let me show it to you. We have the same thing going on the back. They call this a layered tank. This is what it looks like. So I normally like clothing that has movement, and the layering there does add some movement to the piece. So $34.50 in a color that I really like. And check it out. If I do a front tuck here, now I truly have that vest looking thing going. What do you think about that? Could I wear it like that? Does it look all right? Let me know your feelings on that. This is the Maggie London dress, and this dress will be so much fun to wear. Let me show you some of the details on this dress. This dress is ruched all the way down this side, and there is a string here, but you can't adjust the ruching. It kind of looks like you might, but you can't. There's no ruching on this side. And then we have this asymmetrical hemline with the ruffle there. This dress is also fully lined. I really appreciate that, but we have some fun movement. Wouldn't this be fun to go dancing in? Check out this dress. So I like these big, bold colors. They're nice and bright and fresh, and the neckline is so well done as well. We have this wrap front, but yet it is very modest. It doesn't show anything. I can wear a regular bra with it. This is a knit fabric, so it's a polyester blend, but boy, this dress just screams good times to me. That's what I think will happen in this. I'll tell you, Klein will not let you down. This is another remarkable dress by Klein. In my estimation, I love this cotton dress. It is such a pretty, fun summer print, and we have this belt that looks so cute that comes with it, and the pockets, which I haven't cut out, but I'm going to, because I need this dress in my life. I can wear a regular bra with it, and we do have the snaps up here, so you can snap it onto your hanger, and you can also snap your bra straps in if they're a little loose. The only thing I'm not crazy about on this dress is the neckline is a little bit low. I would just tack it or pin it a little bit higher, so I would be perfectly comfortable in it. But this is how the dress looks. Isn't it fabulous? I mean, this is such a nice 100% cotton dress The price is only $57.53. How can you go wrong with that? This is a winner for me. My final thoughts on this box is it was much better than my first box. I enjoyed and kept all of the tops from my first box, but this one, I like that I was able to try designer brands this time. And I probably could have done it the first time. I just couldn't find them in the sea of options. This time when I looked, it seemed like things were easier to find. So I love this Klein dress. This dress is staying here. What do you think about this Maggie London dress? I just think it is so fun. This is a dress, because it is so bold and colorful, I don't think I could wear it, but maybe once or twice a year. But boy, I like this dress. And this green top, I like. I don't know if I need to keep it. It's a little unusual. This plum top, I really like. I am going to order this again in a larger size, and I think I will also get it in plum because I really enjoyed this color. The cold shoulder top was just kind of meh, and I don't need meh in my life or my closet. The jeans, neither of the denims worked for me. I've become a little bit spoiled. The smart denim wasn't smart enough. I just didn't feel like it was doing everything that it promised to do. So I'm glad I got to try it. And these AG jeans are really stiff and reminiscent of old school denims. And I really like the new school denims. As far as the Lucky brand shoes go, they're very comfortable. I've worn them through almost the entire try-on, and I think I will be keeping. Hey, thank you so much for joining me for another unboxing. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. I really appreciate it when you show the love with a thumbs up. So I have another video coming out for you. It will be here in 2 days. It will be about clothing, so be on the lookout for that, and I will see you then. Blessings to you.